Need to take your WordPress site offline without deleting it? Maybe you're working on updates or just not ready for the world to see it yet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily unpublish a WordPress site. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. Whether you're putting your site under maintenance or simply not ready to launch, knowing how to unpublish your site without losing any content is a must. Today, I'm walking you through the steps using a super handy plugin to make it all happen. First things first, we need a plugin to help you unpublish your site. Head to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, hover over Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type in Maintenance. You'll see the Maintenance plugin by Webfactory pop up. This is the one we're using. Click Install Now, and once that's done, hit Activate. Once the plugin is activated, let's move on to setting it up so your visitors see a message that the site is unpublished. With an active plugin, look for Maintenance in the left-hand menu and click on it. You might see a pop-up offering different plans, but you can just click out of that for now. Here, you can customize what visitors will see while your site is unpublished. Under page title, you can write whatever makes sense for your site. Something like, "We'll be back soon." For the headline, you can change it to something like, "This site is currently unpublished." And don't forget the description. You can put a message explaining what's happening to your site or whatever you prefer. It's a good idea to update the footer text too with a friendly note or company info. Next, scroll down to the design section. Here's where you can get creative. If you want to change the background image, you can either remove the current one or upload a new background that fits your brand. You can also play around with the colors, adjust the background color, font color, and more. Once you're happy with the design, don't forget to hit Save Changes. Now, for the most important step, unpublishing your site. Scroll back to the top and you'll see a toggle switch. If it's turned off, click to turn it on. This activates the maintenance mode and essentially unpublishes your site. You can preview how the maintenance page looks by clicking the preview button. When you're all set, just hit Save Changes. Now your WordPress site is unpublished. If you visit your site in a browser where you're not logged in, you'll see that it's now showing your custom maintenance page. When unpublishing your WordPress site, you want a hosting provider that makes managing these changes easy and reliable. That's where Rapyd Cloud comes in. With Rapyd Cloud's high-performance hosting, your site's speed, security, and uptime are guaranteed, whether it's live or temporarily unpublished. Our hosting ensures smooth updates and maintenance processes so you can focus on what matters most. Click the link in the description and get started with Rapyd today. And that's it. You've successfully unpublished your WordPress site. Whether you're updating content, making improvements, or just taking a break, this method keeps everything under control while maintaining a great experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress tips and hosting advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.